In this video, I'll tell you how to stop fake virus notification pop-ups in Windows 11. If these fake security alerts keep appearing through Google Chrome or another browser, they may be coming from a suspicious extension or from a website that you previously allowed to send notifications. First, open your browser, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Disable every installed extension for a moment, even if nothing immediately looks suspicious, and check whether the fake virus notifications stop appearing. If they disappear, start enabling your trusted extensions one at a time. If you find an extension you do not recognize or you are not sure about, it is better to remove it completely instead of leaving it installed. If disabling extensions does not fix the problem, check which websites are allowed to send notifications. Open the browser settings again, go to Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. Find Notifications and scroll down to the Allowed to Send Notifications section. This list contains every website that currently has permission to push notifications through your browser. If you see an unknown or suspicious address, click the three dots next to it and choose Remove. If you have no idea which website is causing the alerts, you can simply remove every site from the allowed list. You can also block this type of notification completely by selecting Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications at the top of the page. Once the suspicious extension or notification permission is removed, those fake browser-based virus warnings should stop popping up. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.